and then cut the jacket back 1.5 inches. Strip the wires down to 1/2 inch.
Okay.
Twist the wires clockwise. Use a 2.5 millimeter screwdriver. Insert it inside the square hole in the white Wago. Push in to open up the clamp and put your wires in. White's going to go into N for neutral. Green goes into ground, and the black's going to go into 1. Break out the knockouts. Place the top cover on. And it does have a screw to clamp down onto the cable. You screw that in and you're done. Okay, now this is the power side for the white Wago, and we're going to do exactly the same as before with the motor, starting off with the white, which goes into neutral. Put the cover on. And screw down the cover to clamp both cables, and then you're done. Okay, now when you're done, you have the white Wago hooked up. So from the power to the white Wago to the motor, and then you have the next cable, which you can use for the next white Wago, or you can use it for a gray Wago. Now, if you go with a white Wago, you can hook up to 7 motors based on 2 amps per motor. So that usually will fill up a 15 amp circuit. And that's how it's done.